we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while teaching my kids, these two young gunners, the apprentices, the trade. And for today's adventure, we have a clogged tub. The water's not going down. This tub is not going down, right? Somebody calls, oh, my tub won't go down, blah, blah, blah. Upon further review, the trip plate, if you hold it down, it does go down. The water does go down. So we have a bad trip plate. So all I need is a flat screwdriver, the trip plate, let's see. That's in a standing position. Awesome, thank you. And again, it's holding water. If you push down where it should be, it should stay there, but it doesn't. That means the ears are worn out. Chuck, come watch this. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Can I see any of those, Chuck? I got it, Chuck. Never mind. So anyway, the ears wear out right here. This is where it won't stop, Chucky. The weight of the plunger actually pulls it closed. See how these are nice and sharp, where it actually snaps into place. That's why it won't drain. The weight of the plunger is just making it close. I should get some grease. Oh, that's pretty good. I love plumber's grease. And that's it. This is the service call today. Simple enough. Oh, come on now. Alrighty, let's give it a test. And there goes another satisfied customer. There we go, all done. I should have showed you the wire that they had on the tub to hold it down. I actually took it off before I started filming, and that's why I knew I needed a trip plate. But I want to show CB2 the worn out ears on the trip plate. So simple, but it is what it is. And we got her done, and we'll see you at the next job. And there goes another. I am the customer, and I'm satisfied. All right, have a great day, and we'll see you at the next job.